Absolute value. What is the absolute value of a number? Well, it is just that number's distance away from zero. So for this first one, I'll show you a little number line just so you kind of understand the concept. So this says the absolute value of -3. So if I were to put -3 on a number line, the absolute value is its distance from zero. Well, from -3 to 0 is 3 units. So the absolute value of -3 is just 3. So what a lot of people think of is it's that the absolute value signs just kind of change things to a positive number. And they kind of do, because you're talking about the distance from 0, and distance is always going to be positive. So the absolute value of 4 would be, well, 4 is 4 away from 0. So it's 4. Okay, and then we start to do operations within the absolute value signs. So we have the absolute value of 3 minus 5. So first we need to simplify what's inside here. So we have 3 minus 5, which is -2. So what we're really doing here is the absolute value of -2. How far away is -2 from 0? It is 2 units away. Same with this one here. We have -6 times 3, and negative times a positive is a negative. So that is -18. And the absolute value of -18, well, how far is that from 0? Sure thing, you guessed it, 18. And then sometimes we'll get to experience, and you've seen this in some of the other ones, other videos, possibly, if you watch those first, having these absolute value signs kind of within the realm of a more order of operations type expression. So we need to simplify what's inside of this absolute value sign, because we don't know what the absolute value of this is. That's a lot of stuff. So we're going to use PEMDAS, our order of operations, to be able to solve that. So first of all, we're going to do what's in these parentheses. Well, there's a couple different things in the parentheses. All right, we got to go back to order of operations. What would come first? Well, exponents would definitely come before multiplication, right? Exponents before multiplication. So we're going to do that first. So 9 squared would be 81 divided by 9. Okay. And then we're going to do what's inside the parentheses. 81 divided by 9 is 9. And we're left with 9 divided by 3, the absolute value of 9 divided by 3, which is the absolute value of 3. 3 is 3 away from 0, so this would be